What's up guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. I just wanted to take a quick minute to tell you happy holidays. This past year I have posted one video per week for the last 54 weeks. Minus 2 weeks. One of them I was sick and the other one I was just too tired. I just want to quickly update you on what's about to happen for 2019. First off, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting a lot more often this time because I switched our Cheesy Does a Cooking Instagram to my own personal Instagram. Same handle though. Second, I'm dropping the blog. I'd rather just post the recipe in the bottom description. I'm sure that's a lot easier. And third, I won't be posting on a weekly schedule anymore. So sorry, but I have a full-time job and these videos are really hard to do weekly. But now that I have more time to do them, I can focus more on quality, making better recipes, and getting more detail into the food. However, I'm still going with the vlog style. I like to put a lot of different clips of what I'm doing with my life. And hopefully you guys enjoy that too. That's pretty much it. Merry Christmas, and have a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, you can go. I can do that camera transition thing where they do the hand on the screen. Bye.